This is homework 5 for EC 376 spring semester. On port A, we have it hooked up to the H-bridge and the stepper motor. Port C is the keypad. This is for the door lock, and I just have a clip on the stepper motor to keep orientation correct. To start, if we enter a wrong password, in this case the password is all 1111. Let's just do 8, 9, let's do 4 and 3 just to show that it all works. If we hit the star button, nothing happens. It's the wrong passcode. But if we do the right one, 1, 1, 1, 1, the stepper motor rotates 50 steps counterclockwise, waits a couple seconds, and go back to its original orientation. It keeps track of it on the display as well. I'll show you that. Rotates 50, and it goes back to the original position.